Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make absolutely no gluten, crispy, crunchy, spicy carrot and ginger parantha. Vitamin A and C, iron, protein, fiber and antioxidants loaded too. And now for the recipe. Let's take some vegetables. A carrot, a small piece of ginger, handful of cilantro and parsley leaves, a couple of green chilies, and let's grate the carrot first. Now remember to grate it very fine, very thin, very fine and very small. Grate the ginger too, again very fine, very thin and very small. Now grate it, this is what it looks like. Now add the chopped green chilies, cilantro and parsley leaves and rice flour 125 grams and 30 grams later, and freshly grounded sea salt or any natural salt, and turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, mango powder, brown or raw cane or any natural sweetener, and pre-melted desi ghee 10 ml. Now mix and mix well. Once done, add hot water, that is 80 ml. Mix well and knead into a dough. The dough is very soft and very sticky. It requires more rice flour. Hence, more rice flour was added, that is 30 grams, bringing the total to 155 grams. Now mix and knead into a tight dough. Yes, this is right, absolutely right. Now aag lagao, which is what we chefs love to do the best. Now scatter the rice flour and divide and roll the dough into 3 equal sized balls. Roll the dough balls and flatten them carefully, because remember, no gluten, so it does not stick firmly. Drizzle and smear desi ghee on the preheated hot plate or tawa or fry pan, and carefully lift and place the raw paratha to be cooked. This is the balance of the dough for 2 more equal sized parathas. When paratha looks firm, flip the side and very carefully remember, no gluten. Drizzle and smear the paratha with desi ghee. Now it has started to firm up to an extent. Now drizzle the sides of the paratha with desi ghee so that the desi ghee can go below the paratha also. Now flip the side of the paratha again. Now look, it's gone very firm. And drizzle and smear this side of the paratha with desi ghee too. The paratha is becoming firmer and firmer. And flip the side of the paratha again, little carefully. Be careful. Allow the side of the paratha to be cooked and cooked well and become crisp and firm also. The color has started to change, fragrance fills the air, and now time to flip the paratha again. Allow the side of the paratha to be cooked as well and become firm. Look, the color here has also started changing. It shows it's being cooked well. Flip the paratha again and look, the paratha is well cooked and very crisp by now. Remove the paratha from the heat and plate it. Now serve as such or with any pickle, sauce, dip or chutney or butter as Punjabis will prefer, along with a steaming hot cup of tea, and to all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.